Hey, man. Night 2. Hopefully night 1 went, pretty well for you. How's the animatronics? Did they act up at all? Or even get off the stage or something? Hopefully not, but, today they probably will. You see, we, are now adding a new animatronic to our pizzeria place due to high demand. He's still in a work in progress though. His name is Balloon Baby Bill. He's a new feature to the establishment. He can be found to the left hand side of your office. He's kind of a bugger, if you ask me. I mean, I remember testing him out, and he really always wanted to be next to the wires, so I guess we gave him that little advantage, but that also means there's something wrong he's gonna do. You see, since he's hooked up to the wires, he's every time he turns on, he's gonna use your zap, and that zap power is gonna be taken away from you. So to make sure that he doesn't take away that zap power, you need to tap him or something like that, or click him. That will disable him temporarily for as long as he's offline. This is because of some weird wire stuff that we have. I don't know what's up with this building. Hopefully you're winding that music box. I totally forgot about telling you that, but the music box, it's also wired with the wires of the building, and if it gets to empty, then all of the doors will go offline, and yeah, so that will suck. So make sure to keep that music box wound up, and yeah, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.